Meet Arthur, the Tolson Half Pig. He's famous. He has his own Twitter account and the museum sells delicious half pig ginger biscuits. We're going to make some of the biscuits today. The trouble is, Ronnie the Raven decided he wanted his own biscuit too. To make the biscuits, you will need self-raising flour, ground ginger, sugar, margarine and golden syrup and milk. You will also need a mixing bowl, wooden spoon, rolling pin and some flat baking trays to bake your biscuits. First, turn on your oven. It needs to be at 160 degrees C or 325 Fahrenheit or gas mark 3. Weigh out your flour into a bowl and add the ginger. Put the sugar, golden syrup and margarine into a small saucepan and melt them together until the sugar is dissolved. Once melted, mix the ingredients from the saucepan into the dry ingredients in the bowl and then add the milk. When the mixture has come together, leave it to go cold for about 30 minutes. Whilst the dough is resting, you can make your templates for the biscuit shapes. You can use our templates, or you might already have some animal biscuit cutters that you can use. When the dough is cold enough, sprinkle it with some flour and roll it out on a floured board. The dough wants to be about the same thickness as a pound coin. Then you can cut out your animal shapes. Place your animal shapes on a flat baking tray lined with baking parchment and then bake them in the oven for 10 minutes until the biscuits are slightly golden at the edges and leave to cool. I sieved 50 grams of icing sugar into a bowl and added a few teaspoons of hot water to make some glassy icing. You add the water gradually until the icing is all at one consistency and drops gently off the spoon. Take a small clean plastic bag. You're going to use this as your icing bag. Place the icing in one corner of the bag and squeeze it right into the corner. Then, using scissors, cut off the very tip of the corner of the bag and then you can start icing your biscuits. In addition to the white icing, I used writing icing in tubes for different colours. Once you finish, leave your biscuits to dry and then enjoy. We made some Ronnie biscuits as well. What do you think, Ronnie? Caw, caw!